too quick for it. Peeling off like a whip orange. Seen it after this piss poor. I got too much I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money stemming, I'm 10 too. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip. Got all the problems with the head up in the clouds, started saying I look stressed. I've been feeling down, pray to God that I'm up next. Remember when she blew me off, that's why I can't text. Now she call me petty, but I swear I can't forget. This ain't a test. Now they saying that I ball like Dre West. Coming back for what is mine, can't take no less.
Alrighty guys, so I hope that you did enjoy the little bit of first person driving the Corvette, what it's like to drive a C5 Corvette in 2023. Now this car has got 130,000 miles on it, so it does have a little bit of mileage, but I can honestly tell you that this car has been very reliable. This thing has not put me down, not once. Now we did have some key issues, but that ended up just being the key was getting a little worn out, but in the long run I actually ended up just getting a push button start installed on the vehicle. So for number one, the thing that I like about this car is the power slash handling that this car has. Now this car is a very nice driving car. Obviously you feel every single bump in the road for the most part. Definitely if you're like an older guy, you're probably gonna feel even more than what I feel as far as bumps in the roads. But as far as like a nice cruising car, like on some good roads, this car is absolutely unbeat on a good paved road. Like this kind of concrete out here is absolutely amazing to drive on. You got pop-up headlights. That's my second like on this thing. Now that's kind of vice versa. Some people don't like it, some people do like it. I love the pop-up headlights. We're actually gonna be swapping them out to night drive TV headlights, the actual square ones. So it's gonna look really nice. Stay tuned to the channel about that. Also, I love the brakes and I love the looks of the C5 Corvette. You know, it's got this very cheese wedge kind of look. You know, it starts very small down here and just kind of gets a little bit bigger back in the back. I really like that, and I think a lot of car manufacturers are actually going to that for sports cars because it makes the front end feel really good at top speed. I think another thing, number three, that I love the most about my C5 Corvette is you can actually take this top off. This top right here, you can take it off, put it in the back. If it starts to get cold, if it starts to start raining or whatever, you can actually just pull it out the back, put it on, takes like 5 seconds, doesn't take long at all, and boom, you have it. Now, a lot of people complain about the cheap interior, but honestly, for me, I think that the best thing about the C5 is actually the interior because of how simple it is. Whenever anybody can get in there and learn the interior just like that, and I think that that's a big deal for me, is ease of use. This car is very, very much ease of use. It doesn't cost much to maintain. I mean, we can do brake rotors, pads, all of that within $500, just like every other car you can do that with. I mean, I think I priced it on Advanced Auto Parts due to that's where I work at, and without the discount that I received, it was actually like $598 to be able to get all of the brake rotors, pads, all of that good stuff to be replaced on the car. if you even need brake rotors. A lot of places will actually resurface the brake rotors. But anyway, I'm getting too far into that. It is actually very cheap to maintain this car. I think it was like $70 to do an oil change. That's typical for a regular V8 car, truck, whatever. So I do not think that it is very expensive to maintain, which makes it the perfect daily driver for everyone. Now, if you did enjoy a little bit of this content, kind of like a walk around with a GoPro on my head, let me know what you guys think in the comments about the way that we've done this video here, because it is something new for me. I've never done this and I've always been skeptical about doing this, but I think I like it. I think I enjoy doing this because I have my hands free. I can talk, I can touch, I can push, I can point, so on and so forth. So let me know down in the comment section below. And if you were wondering what that drink was that I poured into my amazing Fiji water, it is actually Freshen Up. You can use code STEADY if you would like. It actually gives you 20% off, which most of the time is the shipping for whatever order you're getting. And if you have any questions about that, you can leave them down in the comment section below. I will be glad to help you and assist you in what flavors you should get, so on and so forth. And with that being said, that's pretty much 5 things that I love about my C5 Corvette. And I will be posting another video on 5 things that I dislike about my C5 Corvette in another video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see that, so that way you get a notification whenever we do post that video. And whenever we do go live, we do car meets here on this channel as well. If you're still here, you obviously love cars, and I'm just gonna let you know that we're gonna have a lot of car meet lives videos going on, so you'll be able to comment on videos or on cars during that point at that time. So anyway, I hope that you guys did enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to leave a big fat like on this thing, baby, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.